Humans eat to fill their stomach, but somewhere on this planet, people eat just to stay alive. Digging through piles of rotten garbage, pulling out stinking bones covered in filth. If this food were placed in front of you, you would turn your face away. But for them, this is the final refuge in life's harsh battle. This world is a strange place. On one side, there are grand feasts, glittering restaurants, people taking pictures with expensive fried chicken. And on the other side, there exists another world where food means rotten leftovers, foul-smelling scraps thrown away by restaurants. The waste of the rich becomes the last hope for the poor. And among the horrors of that world, there is a dish known as pug pug. It is made from the discarded remains of restaurants: chicken bones, filthy scraps, moldy pieces, and rotten leftovers collected from garbage dumps. Life may be brutal, but this is the reality of thousands of people. Before dawn breaks, the narrow slum lanes fill with wet mud and the stench of yesterday's thrown-out food. This is their workplace. While the world sleeps, their day begins in the dark. A cheap torch tied to their foreheads. No protective gear, not even a mask. From afar, they don't look like humans, but shadows moving through the night. The environment is suffocating. Heavy air filled with dust, fumes, and unbearable odor. Yet they keep going because hunger is the most merciless force. When a truck unloads heaps of restaurant waste, they rush toward it. For them, it's like discovering a hidden treasure. From these piles, they search for chicken skin, broken bones, restaurant scraps, plastic bottles, cans, pieces of metal. But the most precious among these are chicken bones, because these will later become pug pug. They dig through the filth with bare hands, enduring the disgusting smell, the insects, worms, and rot. But hunger leaves no room for hesitation. They must keep going. Once they gather enough bones, they pack them in sacks. No matter how awful the bones look, to them they are priceless because they can cook them, feed their families, or earn a little money from selling them. For the poor, whatever is available becomes food and survival. Now begins the cooking process. First, the bones are washed several times. Even though no amount of washing can remove the smell completely, still, it at least removes the thick layer of dirt. Next, old pans are placed on smoky stoves. Anyone standing nearby will realize this isn't cooking, this is survival. They fry onions, and when it turns slightly golden, they throw in the chicken bones. Salt is added, and then a special touch: tomato paste. The paste hides the ugly appearance of the bones, making the dish look less disturbing, even if nothing has actually changed. After 15 minutes on low heat, the bones soften a little and the notorious dish pug pug is ready. It has very little taste and a strong, unpleasant smell, but for the poor, this is a luxury. When ready, it is sold hot. One plate costs 10 pesos, about 20 Bangladeshi taka. Nothing else can be bought at such a low price, so crowds gather. Some buy small portions to take home and cook for their children. The food may be low quality, yet the children eat it with satisfaction. But the heart cries, "We eat fresh chicken," while they feel grateful for food collected from garbage. This is the cruelty of poverty, where the question isn't about quality but about filling an empty stomach. Some may wonder, how can anyone eat this? Why would someone choose this life? But the truth is simple. They don't choose it. Life forces them into it. In families where even one meal is uncertain, healthy food is a luxury. Survival becomes the only goal. They don't know the taste of good food, don't know what a restaurant looks like. Their world is built around garbage. That is their reality. And that reality asks us a painful question. Are we truly fortunate, or did we just happen to be born into comfort? Food that one group throws away becomes another group's way to stay alive. If restaurants wasted a little less, maybe no mother would have to feed her child a meal made from garbage. But the truth is harsh. Poverty swallows dreams, leaving behind only the struggle to survive. If watching this video makes you feel even a hint of sadness, then know this: your humanity is still alive. As the world grows colder and more mechanical, we forget the suffering of others. Stories like these remind us what compassion truly means. Remember, while we throw away food we don't like, people in another part of the world are living off that very waste. This is the real world. This is the unseen side of humanity.